Away from the fuel-guzzling limousines, Busia Governor Sospeter Ojamoong and 3 other officials found themselves in the modest vehicle as they were dramatically whisked away from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption headquarters at Integrity Centre to the Milimani courts to answer to corruption-related charges. The governor, who was being sought by EACC detectives, is said to have surrendered himself Wednesday morning. Ojamoong and his co-accused Bernard Yaite, Alan Ekweny, and Samuel Mbui were taken to the basement cells before being paraded in court. The suspects, who appeared before Justice Douglas Ogoti, denied all the charges against them, including conspiracy to commit an economic crime, fraudulent acquisition of public property, failure to adhere to procurement laws, and disregard of the law on management of public funds, among others.
There is no evidence of any summons issued to any of these persons, or even when they were issued.
How a man like a governor on flimsy charges like this, on a matter which happened in 2014, and who volunteers to come before the court, that we should address you for these hours, praying for bail.
The right to bail may actually be limited.
The prosecution opposed the application for bail, saying the governor was likely to use his possession to interfere with investigations.
I will endeavor, I've said endeavor, to deliver this ruling on Friday, 6 July at 2 p.m. They should be remanded at the EACC police station.
In arguing their case, the prosecution claimed the 4 contracted a company known as Madam R Enterprise to conduct a feasibility study on waste management, despite it not being budgeted for, hence defrauding the county government of 8 million shillings. Senior Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions Alexander Muteti further applied for warrants of arrest against 6 other individuals linked to the offence. These, as members of Parliament from Busia County called for calm, are waiting for the outcome of the court process.
We want to urge the law enforcement agencies, especially the EACC, the Office of the DPP and others, to follow the law and respect the rights of the accused. We support the war on corruption.
Ojamoong is among 4 governors whose files were forwarded to the DPP by the Anti-Graft Agency for prosecution, but 3 other files were sent back for lack of sufficient evidence. Chamutaigo in K24.